Welcome. Today we have 256 raised to power k plus k to be equal to 0. We are asked to find the value of k. Let's get started. Solution. So 256 raised to power k plus k now be equal to 0. So we are asked to find the value of k. Let's take k to the right hand side. We now have 256 raised to power k now be equal to minus k. Now let's multiply the power of 256k by 1 over k and the power of minus k by 1 over k as well. We will now have 256 raised to power k close bracket raised to power 1 over k now equal to minus k raised to power 1 over k. Yes, once you understand it up to this stage, the next thing is that this k we cancel out this k. We are left with 256 in our left hand side to be equal to minus k everything raised to power 1 over k. So from here, let's represent 1 over k to be x. That is, let x to be equal to 1 over k. So don't forget, this is the easiest method for you to get rid of this kind of complex equation. So when our x is equal to 1 over k, let's now substitute for the value of k. So therefore, we will now be having 256 to be equal to minus 1 over x. Because when k is equal to 1 over x, when x is equal to 1 over k, then k2 will be 1 over x. So minus 1 over x, close bracket, everything raised to power 1 over x. So from here, we can easily change 256 to be 4 raised to power of 4. So now we equal to minus 1 over x, everything raised to power 1 over x. Yes, and according to the law of indices, 1 over x will simply give us x. So therefore, because 1 over x, this will give us 1 times x over 1, which is equal to what? X. So therefore, from here, we are having 4 raised to power of 4 to be equal to minus 1 over x. So everything raised to power x. Yes, this is what we are having. So once we get to this stage, minus 1 over x in indices, if you have 1 over a, this simply means a raised to power what? Minus 1. Yes, it means a raised to power minus 1. Therefore, 4 raised to power of 4 will now give us minus x raised to power what? Minus 1. So everything raised to power of x. So, and if you multiply the power of this one, so you now be having 4 raised to power of 4 to be equal to minus x raised to power of what? Minus x. So it shows that what we are having now is that minus x, so raised to power minus x to be equal to 4 raised to power of 4. So from here, according to the rule of mathematics, minus x is equal to what? 4. Yes, from here, minus x is equal to 4. So let's multiply through by minus 1. We now be having minus x multiplied by minus 1 to be equal to 4 multiplied by minus 1. So therefore, our x is equal to what? Minus 4. This is our what? Our value of x. But recall that k is equal to what? 1 over x. So when k is equal to 1 over x, so and our x is equal to minus 4, it shows that k will now be equal to 1 over minus 4 because k is equal to 1 over x. Now let's verify if our calculation is correct. Our original equation says 2. So our original equation says 256 raised power k, so plus k is equal to 0. Now let's now change 256 to 4 raised power of 4, everything raised power k, so plus k to be equal to 0. So from here, when you multiply this power, you now be having 4 raised power of 4k plus k to be equal to 0. So 4 raised power of 4k plus k to be equal to 0. So it shows that we are having 4 raised power of what? 4k plus k to be equal to 0. So this means 4 raised power of 4k is now equal to what? Minus k. Now, and the value of our k from our calculation that we just did, value of our k is 1 divided by minus 4. That is, k is equal to what? Minus 1 over 4. Yes. Now, let's substitute for the value of k in our equation. So, our equation says 4 raised by what? 4k to be equal to what? Minus k. Now, let's substitute for the value of k. Our k is equal to minus 1 over 4. So, it shows that now we are having 4 raised by 4 into bracket minus 1 over 4. So, now we go to minus into bracket minus 1 over 4. Now, once we are able to solve this out, so we'll be able to say if our left hand side is equal to our what? Our right hand side. So 4 here 1, 4 here 1, we have 4 raised power minus 1 to be equal to, so minus multiplied by minus, this will give us plus. Then we are left with what? 1 over 4 in our right hand side. Now, and if you have a raised power minus 1 in indices, this is telling you, this is what this one is telling you, you're having a over a according to what? 1 over a according to the rule of indices. So this shows that 4 raised power minus 1 will now give us 1 over 4 to be equal to what? 1 over 4. That is, our left hand side is equal to our what? Right hand side. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share these videos to your friends, your brothers. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more video. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. See you in the next video.